To fix your camera not working is pretty simple. We first have to navigate to the start menu and tap on it. Then with this selected, proceed to tap on settings. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. On the left panel, when we scroll down, we have privacy and security. Make sure to tap on it. And under privacy and security, we have a tons of options. Make sure to scroll down until you locate camera, which is right here, and tap on it. And then with this selected, beside your camera access, make sure it's toggled on. And when we scroll down a bit, under let apps access your camera, make sure this one is also toggled on, and individually make sure each and every app here is toggled on. Then after that, make sure you reboot your machine and open your camera and see if this fixed the problem. If it's still not working, let's jump to the second method. With the second method, I'm going to proceed back to my start menu again and right click it. Make sure to proceed and type device manager. Continue to tap on camera and make sure your camera is uninstalled, and then continue to tap on uninstall. After that, move back to the action menu and then tap on scan for hardware changes, and this will reinstall your camera back. Then continue to close this window and then navigate back to the start menu again. This time we're going to tap on settings, and here we're going to search for camera and tap on it. This time we're going to proceed to tap on apps, then install apps, and we're going to locate for our camera app. Beside your camera, you have this three dots. Make sure to tap on it, then proceed to tap on advanced options and make sure all the apps permissions is toggled on. So in this case, I'm going to toggle on the location and then the microphone, and make sure all other things is toggled on. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate reset. So under reset, make sure you reset your camera, and when you reset it, all the caches and apps data will be deleted. So this will give your camera a fresh start again. Then after that, continue to reboot your machine and open your camera again. And this is how you can fix your camera if it's not working. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.